Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to Easy Explanation. So now we are going to start our new playlist that is for subject that is data structure. Okay, so we'll be covering all the theory portion and all the numericals and as well as the old question bank for this subject in this playlist, and this playlist will be useful for your exam if you are in engineering or IT field, also for your government preparation exam. Okay, so if you have any query or anything you want us to cover, you can comment us. So I'll be starting with a very basic concept, that is with the definition of data structure, application of data structure and types of data structure. Okay, so just I'll be listing the types, and the depth portion of types of data structure I'll be covering in next portion. Okay, so going to the definition part, let's first understand what is data structure. Sorry. So going to the definition first. So in first way, you can define data structure as data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. Okay, so this is the definition, and if you are going to understand this, what we are getting that, suppose if you have given a number of data like this, so how you are going to store this data? Okay, in what way you are going to store this data? So that is called data structure. For example, you can store this in the form of array or you can store this in the form of linked list, or you can store this in the form of tree, right? So this way of organizing the data is known as data structure. Okay, so there are various types of data structure. Okay, so we are going to study all them in detail. So going to next definition, so I'll be writing two definitions so that it will be clear for you. Okay, so going to second definition, we have data structure refers to the organization of data in computer memory. Okay, so where these data are going to store. Okay, so in previous definition it was in computer, so in detail if you are see, so it is going to be stored in computer memory, that is we are going to organize this data in computer memory, or we can also say the way in which data is efficiently stored. Okay, so you have to remember these three words: stored, processed and retrieved. Okay, retrieved is called data structure. Okay, so what we are going to do is, in computer memory, the way in which we are going to store our data, we are going to process our data, and we are going to retrieve our data whenever it is needed. So that is called data structure. Okay, as the name defines, data and structure. So this is the way in which a data is stored, processed and retrieved, we can say. Right, so why we need this? Why we need data structure? Okay, so why we need? Because the answer is because it helps us to understand, the relationship. Okay, it helps us to understand the relationship of one element with other. Okay, one element with other, and it also helps us to organize it within memory. Okay, so this definition will be more clear, okay, when we will implement the data structure practically, that is we are going to implement it using array, using stack, using linked list, using tree. Okay, so in that way it will be clear to you. So this is the definition part. You can write any definition exam if it comes. So what are the areas? We can say, if it is asked, what are the areas of data structure? So this is some Viva question. So they can ask you what are the areas in which data structure can be used. Okay, so data structure that can be, they can be used in database. Okay, database management system we can say. So in database management system, data structure, the type of data structure that is used is B-tree. Okay, so don't get confused, we'll discuss what is B-tree. Okay, so B-tree is used in database management system. Similarly in compiler we can use. Okay, so I think you studied compiler in C programming. So in compiler we can use, so in this, the data structure that is used is in the form of hash table. Similarly we can use data structure in network analysis, in AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, in simulation we can use this, we can use this in graphics. Okay, we can use this in OS, operating system. Okay, so this is most used area, that is in OS we are using this data structure. Fine. So some types of, I'm not going to discuss in detail, just I'm going to list some data types. So I think you also know some of them. So they can be array. Okay, so array is also data structure. Similarly stack. Okay, similarly linked list. Okay, similarly we have trees, types of trees, hash table, heaps, and finally graphs. Okay, so these are the type of data structures. So in next video, this is just the introduction video, so in next video I am going to cover all these types in the form of tree. Okay, so which comes under what. So for example, types of linked list, we have circular, doubly linked list. Types of tree, we have binary, B tree. Okay, so all this we are going to cover in detail in next video in the form of table. So this is just examples, some few examples of data structure. So these are the data structure. Okay, so I hope you got this introduction part clearly. So just subscribe our channel and be in touch, so that you can get all, so that you can get the information about the whole playlist or the whole syllabus. Okay, thank you and stay safe.